Hello friends, it's me Anita Ravish. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I post videos related to food, fashion and DIY. And don't forget to click on the bell icon guys to receive my latest updates. Today is about yet another oats recipe. It is a weight loss oats cookie. Those who are on the weight loss journey can have this as a tea time snack along with a cup of tea or milk. It is very delicious and healthy and easy to make. So let's get started. So here I am taking 40 gram of oats flour, 40 gram of wheat flour, brown sugar that is 30 gram, ghee or oil which is available for you that is 30 gram, milk, choco chips, and apart from this we need baking powder, vanilla extract and cinnamon powder, which is optional, but cinnamon powder gives a nice flavor to these cookies.
Now all you need is to take a bowl and add the brown sugar and the oil. You have to mix them very nicely. If you have an electric beater, you can use that also. I'm just using a whisk to mix it nicely. After mixing it very nicely, I'm adding vanilla extract to it. Now goes all the flours, oats flour, then wheat flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder, some cinnamon powder, and combine them very well. The dough will be very stiff, so use your hand to combine it well. Now add the choco chips or any dry fruits of your choice. After mixing the dough very well, I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes. The dough will become stiffer, so that it will be very easy to make the cookies right. So after taking from the fridge, now look at the dough. It has become very stiff. Now you can make the cookies very easy. If you have a cookie cutter, you can go ahead with that. Now take the baking tray and grease the tray. Now take lemon-sized balls of the dough and arrange it in a tray.
Arrange all the cookies on the baking tray and gently press them. Make sure that you leave some space between the cookies. This cookie will be very healthy and delicious. Take some choco chips and add it on top of the cookies. Have preheated the oven at 230 degrees for 10 minutes. Now you have to bake the cookies for at least 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on the oven guys. Each oven is different. I am baking it for 25 minutes. Just check the cookies in whether it is done or not. Now my cookies are ready. I have taken it from the oven. You can see brown spots on top of it. So the cookies are done nicely. Let it cool completely. Let the cookies cool completely. I have placed the cookies on the wire rack so that it will cool. After cooling, just place it on an airtight container so that you can store it in the fridge and have it for 2 to 3 days. You can have it with a nice cup of tea as a snack in the evening. So enjoy this, guys. Nice healthy oats cookies are ready for you. Try these oats cookies and let me know how it turned out in the comment box. And try my other oats recipe also and share it with your friends, guys. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until the next recipe, take care. Bye bye.